Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be doing an update on a case that I covered, I think last year, when a baby was stolen from its mother who was going to pick up some baby clothes from someone she was getting help from over the internet. With all that said and done, when I first heard that story, I felt like there was more to this case that meets the eye, and that is exactly the case. There's more to the case. It says Anisha Ramsey, the woman charged with stealing baby Nyyear Frank, has denied being involved in snatching the child, claiming she adopted the then 5 weeks old on a payment plan with a total due of $500,000 Jamaican dollars. Nyear was snatched while he and his mother were walking along Razoo Road in St. Andrew on the afternoon of Sunday, October 13th, 2019. Requesting bail for his client in Kingston and St. Andrew Court yesterday, attorney Davian Vassell said Ramsey, who was 5 months pregnant, lost her child in August and was going through a state of depression. She started to post a lot of sad things on her WhatsApp stories, and one day when she posted a picture of a mother releasing balloons to the heavens to represent her baby, a friend of hers messaged to ask what was wrong, Vassell said. According to the attorney, Ramsey then told her friend about her pregnancy ending prematurely and that she was depressed. The friend then told her that he knew someone who wanted to give up their baby for adoption. 2 months later, her friend allegedly remade contact, telling her he had a baby for her, and days later delivered the child to who turned out to be Nyear. Ramsey attorney said it was after receiving the baby that her friend started demanding money for the child, and that she had no previous knowledge that the money was involved in the adoption. However, rebutting Vassell's suggestions, the clerk of court read a statement made by Ramsey to the police where she said her friend mentioned the cost of the baby before delivering the child. In relation to my friend's submission, in relation to the money being involved, some conversation were had with the accused and a person by the name of the name is being withheld, that he knows of people who want to give up their baby, and the baby was given to her with the intention of payment plan to be arranged, and the sum that was agreed on was $500,000. Further, she said the Crown would not oppose bail under stringent conditions, so she will be getting bail. And honestly, when I first heard the baby snatching story, it didn't make any sense to me. Why would you go meet a stranger with no backup, with your child in hand, to get some used baby clothes? That was the story she gave the police, and that didn't make any sense to me. Now I understand. Honestly, if you are a young mom and you feel like being a mom is not something you want to do, or you want to give up a baby for adoption, you can do it the legal way. Not everybody's supposed to be a mom. A lot of people can have children, but a lot of people are not mothers, or not capable of being good mothers either. So I understand people wanting to give up their child for adoption, especially when after you give birth and see how much of your life being a mom change. If you don't want that child, there are legal ways to go through adoption. How you just want to give up a baby for adoption to some stranger you don't know nothing about for $500,000? Really? Truly? Honestly. And a lot of these young girls honestly need to stop having children so early, because they don't have the mental capacity to take care of these children themselves either. And childbearing comes with a lot, okay? A lot. And all the women that are suffering from postpartum depression need to seek help. Whether you actually had your child and you're suffering, or you're suffering silence, or you lost the baby, postpartum depression can still affect you at any given time after birth, after giving birth to your son, or even during your pregnancy. So seek the necessary help. Honestly, I feel like the mother need to be penalized also, because if she was demanding money for her child, then you knew that this was an adoption. This wasn't legal. It wasn't the legal way of doing an adoption, and she needs to pay the penalty of doing that. I also feel like this woman that was charged for snatching the baby should also be penalized. She knew that she didn't ask any question about where the baby is coming from. Why this mom want to give up her baby just like that for $500,000? She didn't have any concern in the world. I understand that she had lost her baby and she was just glad to have another child. But if you're going to be a responsible human being and a responsible parent, you should have asked question. I am not going to believe that you did not know anything about the illegal adoption process or any of that, or that she actually wanted money for the child she gave birth to. So comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.